So this is a metal coil winder I've made myself, which is a basic metal frame. It's a bit of a pain when you first load it up, because what I've got to do at the moment is thread a bolt on all the way there and then just connect the bolt, tighten the bolt up there, and it's got two pins in the middle which I'll show you. So anyway, that sits on the cradle, you can see the bolt just there, and then turns, and obviously that's tight. This is actually a coil I've made using some wire I recycled from a washing machine. I've actually done a pretty good video about how to do that. So this coil that I've made that you can see here is 1/2 of a washing machine motor supply of magnet wire. So that's that. So yeah, let me show you this. What I like about this, firstly, it's got two pins welded all the way through, two bits of threaded bar, but they're chopped off flush when that's in and bolted down. Before I've actually opened this coil, I haven't taken it out yet. But anyway, so let's try taking the coil out. What I was going to say is, what I like about this design is I've notched it out so you can put cable ties in. It takes a minute or two to get them in at the start, but then at the end it's just fold over and bang. So this coil looks pretty nice. Let's get a bit more light on it. There's certain areas where it isn't perfect. I'll be honest, let me just move the camera a sec. Certain areas where it isn't perfect, but I mean, goddamn, it's pretty nice. See, the light doesn't really show you, but that in the middle is aluminium. The pins protrude upwards to match up with the plate, like so. Whoops. Like so, and it's just very strong. Very strong. You can see the metal's not cut perfectly, but it's from scrap. So now I just want to see, I'm gonna put that down there a sec. Just want to see if it will come out, because I've beveled this is heavily beveled, well, not heavily beveled, but certainly beveled somewhat. Let me just try pulling it off first. Bear with me. Very gently with the screwdriver. There we go. Not bad. You can actually see the bevel a tiny bit. I'm just gonna get my pliers, and actually no, I'm not, because it doesn't matter. But anyway, yeah. So like I say, it's pretty good. You can see a couple of places where I crossed over to the other side, as that's when you're following down the line and it jumps over. But yeah, sorry, let me show you this. I don't know if you can see the slight bevel it's got on it. It's not that easy to show you, but anyway, you can maybe see better there how it's slightly beveled, and the little notches in for the coils. Sorry to show you my dirty hands, I've been digging around for scrap. But anyway, yeah, that is, I don't know if you can see that's top side, so that's obviously going to be smaller. Bottom side slightly fatter. Yeah, you can see it sort of there. But anyway, that comes out as well. So yeah, it's pretty nice. So there's that back plate, then the centre, which is made out of scrap aluminium and obviously are beveled, then the front plate, as I call it, goes on there, and obviously that goes on those two. This one and a bolt here are tightened very much, and this goes in there. Whoops, sorry for a bit of a wobble. And you make your coil like that, obviously that being tight. This is very basic but does the job. This is some of the wire I recycled. I've got this threaded bar at the top which has nuts on the end, so I can loosely tighten it. Loosely tighten, is that even possible? But yeah, and it's got a shaft through the middle, so that's my test coil made from 1.1mm wire, which I got from a washing machine, so that's pretty good. Yeah, check out my video. This is about removing copper wire, magnet wire from a washing machine. So thanks for watching.